Excel to Tally. We have a company is called as Sri Ganesh Consultant. So they are import the sales transactions like and purchase transaction into the Tally from the Excel sheet. This is the Excel sheet which contain the name of the ledgers, GSTR number, voucher number, date, and discount, exempted sales, 5% taxable value, CGST, SGST, 12% value, CGST, SGST 18%, and 28% value. On all these things should be a round off the net total amount. So it is a ledger based transactions, so which is not contain the inventory sections. The same fashion we have a sales also. Here is a sales transactions, which is course the bill number, the particular name of the ledger, party ledger, date, so exempted sales, taxable sales, and as 12% value and the CGST, 18% value and the CGST, all the things are along with other details like a round off and total value. So on here Tally, we have a import the data. So we provide the one of the TCP to you, which gives the one menu option is called the importer Excel. So with this it was contain the two options, purchase and sales, and here is a setup file. So setup file is a specify the which voucher where to be go. So now purchase will be a purchase voucher will be go, and what about the 0% ledger should be go. So we are a specify the 0% ledger will be go to the 0% and 5%, 12%, and we have same as a sales, and here the CGST, SGST, and we are provided discount also in a Excel sheet. Now look at on here. In a purchase, we provide the one discount which is a marked in a yellow color. So 40 rupees will be a deducted. It is a including of GST. Now how you see the Tally will be handled that. So we specify the discount ledger and is a round off ledger also. So now import the purchase transaction. Now you see the no vouchers on in a Tally. Just we select the Excel path. Yes, so I was selected all the things and attached on here, and the sheet name is called as a purchase. So now I typed here purchase. When I enter all the data in a Tally, it will be displayed on the screen. Now here is all the data is on the screen. There is a button is called an import purchase. When I press this button, it import the party names. It's create automatically the party names and as voucher also. Here the party name is complete. Now it's creating a one vouchers. There is no limitation for this utility. We can be n number of the transaction import Excel into the Tally. It's hardly taken a 3 to 5 minutes in the slower system also. Once it's complete, now we check it. I check all the data. Now you see it. So all the transactions comes in a day book. Now here we have a based on a purchase. So it was comes and calculations and tax analysis is all checked. It was a none error. Now what about for discount column? Just I will check it this discount column. Here is that purchase 5%, CGST, SGST and a discount should be. So discount should be an exclude. Now look at this one. So this option will be covers everything. This is the purchase transactions. Now come to the sale transactions. Now I go to the import the Tally and import Excel and sales, and we select the sheet as a sales. Now the data will be shown on the screen. So the option button is called import sales. When I press import, its voucher will be automatically created. Once it's done, now we check rate that transactions. Now to go to the display, account books and sales register. So we found the transaction on here. So now see that all the transaction will becomes along with the tax analysis. There is a 1 paisa, 1 and 2 paisa will be an exempted. Here there is the multiple taxations and the calculation is also done. Now see, it was a by first get 5% and Simulus 18%. So this is the model. Bring the Excel data into the Tally. Thank you.